Hey everybody, it's Rob Harold, MarineMax in Charleston. Today I'm super excited to go over one of my absolute favorite boats. This is a brand new Boston Whaler 2026 250 Dauntless. It is in the newest Abaco blue color, absolutely beautiful. You can see they've done the under the hardtop Abaco blue as well. And what makes this one super special is this is the very first one that I've personally seen come in with a brand new Mercury 425 on the back of it. She is a beast. Let's get on board and check it out. Hey guys, now that we're standing on board the 250 Dauntless, which is their bay boat, phenomenal boat, checks all the boxes you need for family fun and fishing. As you can see, I have a huge fishing platform back here that I can walk around on with rod storage. You have your swim ladder that neatly stows away. Your live well is right here in the center. Flip up seating that stows away neatly. You have a super nice Yeti cooler sitting on the back of this. Rocket launchers, top and bottom. One of the really cool features what Boston Whaler does as well is you can see they put a ski tow bar on top of the hardtop. So now she's ready for water sports as well. We come up here, we have a huge, their upholstery is always so nice. It's big, thick cushions, big bolsters. I come up, nice Simrad, Bluetooth JL audio, digital switching, wireless phone charging, super great boat. Storage up in the T-top with a light as well. This boat also has an absolute very nice size head for a 25-foot boat, plenty of room in there. The chase lounge on this boat is really big. I'm 6 foot tall and it's plenty of room for me. And this also dubs as storage as well. And so rod storage, plenty of other storage. One of the cool things about the 250 Dauntless in the bow of the boat is your flip up backrest. You can see this one's down and this one's up. Really easy to flip down. And you can remove all these cushions, and again, you have another full platform to fish on. This boat is wired for a trolling motor. You have a nice big insulated fish box here and an anchor locker here. Guys, if you'd like to see this boat, you can see it at MarineMax.com Charleston. You can reach us at 843-747-1889. Come check this boat out. You're gonna love it. Let's get on the water.